on how to align a clutch disc without the clutch aligning tool. I know they sell them in all different type sizes, and basically all it is a tool that holds the clutch disc into place against a flywheel so that you can mount the pressure plate. So anyway, it has to line up, and you have to have something that goes through it. Basically what it usually is, it's a little pin, plastic pin, about yay big, and it's got little splines on the end of it, and it slides in through your clutch disc. But basically all you need to do is you need to get your clutch disc onto the flywheel. There's a certain way it goes. Let's see. That there, flywheel side. You can see it right here. So anyway, this is going to go here, like so, and then your pressure plate's going to go on. So what I'm going to do, I'll show you what I did. I went through my toolbox and found something that would work perfect. It's a 1/2-inch socket and a small extension, and it fits right into the back of the flywheel. So I'll show you what I'll do here. I'll go ahead and do it with one hand, holding the phone or camera. Okay, that's perfectly lined up. Right there, it's going to hold it in place so I can throw the motor back in and line it up. Okay. Try to do this with one hand. It's a little heavier, but let's see. It has pins it has to line up and bolt holes. Let's see. It's gonna go right there. Okay. Now it's gonna go right in. Let's see if I'm lined up here. No. Let's turn it a little bit. I'm trying to do it with one hand. I use my foot a little bit too. There we go. Alright. Now it's lined up. See, that's still in there. I can see the clutch disc in there, and it's lined up perfect. I can move it slightly a little bit and wiggle it, but it's lined up perfect to where the shaft will go right through here, and your throw-out bearing pushes right against this. So, anyway, that's that. Now, once your pressure plate, then you can, once you get some little pressure against the disc, it'll hold it in place. So I'm going to get a couple of these bolts in so that I can, if I had a camera stand, I'd use that, but I don't at the moment. So sorry about the shakiness. Anyway, I'm trying to do it with one hand. Anyway, I'll go ahead and tighten those up and be right back. Alright, got them all snugged down. Now everything looks good. You can just pull it out. And that's all there is to it. If you look in here, you can see it is perfectly aligned. Now when I go to throw the motor back in, it will line up perfect. That's it, it's in there. Clutch disc is not moving. Perfectly aligned. So anyway, just a little simple trick you can use to replace the clutch aligning tool. Anyway, make sure you find something that fits snug, that it won't move around and shift on you, and when you're through, make sure you look in there and make sure it's lined up. Alright, I hope this helps, and please subscribe. Thank you.